Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to get detailed walking directions as a pedestrian on Google Maps. So first of all, you click on Google Maps and then you click on where you're going to. Here you also click on maybe where you're coming from and where you're going to. Then you click on walking. That's like 47 minutes walk. You swipe up and then you find detailed explanation on where to walk and how to do so. Walk south on Charing Cross, turn left on Duncanamon, turn left onto this, turn left. That's how to get the detailed walking explanation as a pedestrian on Google Maps. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.